Sir,
About
the life cycle of the female moth.
About the life cycle of the female silk moth, which discussed in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya, can you tell me the complete life cycle of a female silk moth?
Yes, sir. First, it's eggs, and then it will go to larva, then it will go to cocoon, then it will go to adult moth.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, Ashwath, you can continue.
Sir, first the female moth will lay the eggs, sir. Then when the eggs will hatch, small caterpillars will eat the leaves of the plants, sir. Then
Very good.
they will eat continuously. Then they will become larger. They will become larger, and then they will tie themselves in the pupa, that in the cocoon, and then after some days it will become a moth.
That's all.
Then again the moth will lay eggs.
Okay. Sudisha, can you explain the life cycle of a female silk moth?
Yes, sir. A female silk moth will first stage is that it lays eggs, sir. After it grows a bit, it changes into larva or a caterpillar, small caterpillar. Then it changes into a pupa and forms a cocoon for itself. After it becomes big, it will come out from the cocoon and become the adult moth.
Very good. Jaideep, Lohini, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sorry for the delay, sir. I was trying to join, but I was not getting the link.
Okay, but I asked everyone to turn on your radios, right?
Yes, sir.
Jaideep, Lohini, Drona,
Yes, sir.
Sriharsha. Sriharsha is not at all responding today. And still Aditya is there in the class, but Sriharsha is not responding. Okay. So today we'll study about the mind map of this chapter completely first. Then afterwards we'll revise for the exam. Okay. So this
Okay, sir.
is the life cycle of the female silk moth, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
So if you and one more thing, draw the mind map only in one page, one side of the A4 page or one side of the book. The complete mind map should come only in the one page itself. Okay, don't continue in 2 or 3 pages because this is a mind map, right? If you remember this mind map now, you will remember the entire chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now first you have to tell what is the topic name.
Fiber to fabrics.
Fiber to
Fabric.
we'll take as a fiber. Okay, we'll take as a fiber. Then what is a fiber?
It is a thin hair-like structure like strand which can be grouped to form the yarn.
It is a thin hair-like strand. Then what is the different classification of fiber?
Natural and
The
artificial
natural and
fibers.
synthetic or artificial fibers.
Natural and man-made.
Okay, I will call you one by one, name by wise. You can respond. Okay. Natural fiber and the artificial fiber. Now, Aditya, what is the natural fibers?
Natural fibers are which you get fibers from plants and animals, which are from nature, sir.
Which are from the
Nature.
nature. It can be from the plants.
Like silk, jute, cotton, etc.
First one is the plant
Plant and animals, sir.
and the
Animals.
animals. Very good. Now, next one, Drona.
Yes, sir.
What are the plant fibers?
Sir, the plant fibers are jute, jute, banana fibers,
Only jute and banana
cotton,
fibers.
jute, banana fibers.
Jute, banana fibers. Next.
That's
Okay.
it, sir.
That's it. Kemp, Lenin, flask, coir, all these things.
Sir,
Yes,
and the
sir.
sisal even.
Yeah, season. Okay. Now, Ashwath,
Yes, sir.
what is the best soil to grow the cotton?
Sir, black soil. Sir.
So cotton is grown best in the black soil, right? Very good. And what is the climatic conditions required for that cotton growth, Ashwath?
Sir, I think so. 25 degrees to 35 degrees, sir.
That is for the jute, right? Okay. Normally, you can write the warm climate required, right? Not the rain climate. Required the warm climatic conditions. This is the first point. Next, Lohini,
Yes, sir.
which part of the cotton plant will get the cotton fiber?
So from the cotton seed,
Which part of the cotton plant you will get the cotton fiber? Have seen the video, right? Sorry, video and have shown the image also, right?
Yes, sir.
Did they show any video of the jute cultivation in the last class?
No.
yes, sir.
Yes or no? I think so. No only.
Sir, we discussed about the cotton video, but not the jute video.
Okay, I'll show you the video also in the last half. First, we'll discuss the mind map. So this is the starting topic. What is this, Lohini? Lohini, can you see the image?
Yes, sir.
What is this brown color part?
It is the cotton.
Cotton is the white color part, right?
Yes, sir.
You'll get the cotton from the cotton balls. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the question I asked you, right? Which part of the cotton plant will get the cotton? Or which part of the cotton plant will get the cotton fiber? What is the answer?
Cotton
Cotton
ball.
balls.
Sir, the
Cotton fiber obtained from the sorry.
sir, from the fruit, sir.
Obtained from the fruits of the cotton plant. Huh?
Yes.
Fruits of cotton plant. What is that fruit?
Cotton ball.
Cotton balls. Next one. So what is the process of separating the seeds from the cotton? Sudisha, do you know this one? The separation of the seeds from the cotton is called as an. Sudisha,
Yes, sir.
what is this process name called? The separation of the seeds from the cotton is called as an. Whether you know the answer or not,
No, sir.
don't know. What is it, Jaydeep?
Sir,
Sir, the ginning process.
Ginning? The process
Ginning
called
process.
ginning, right? So ginning is the process in which removal of the seeds from the cotton fiber. What is it?
ginning process.
Ginning.
The process of removing the seeds from the cotton fiber.
Removal of seeds from the
Cotton fiber.
cotton fiber. Very good. Next one, after the ginning, what they will do?
They will do the carding process.
Carding. Next one, Aditya. Aditya, what is the next process? What is the next process? Spinning, right? So what is the spinning, Aditya?
Sir, they spin the cotton
They spin the cotton.
sheets, sir.
What about Sriharsha? Are you there? Sriharsha, unmute yourself and can speak.
Sir,
You're not at all responding in the class. Turn on your video first, Sriharsha.
sir,
What is spinning, Sriharsha?
sir, spinning.
Yeah.
Sir, so one minute, sir. Here's something to 1 minute, sir.
Sriharsha, next time onwards, you have to turn on your video from the starting of the class to the ending of the class. Clear? What is the spinning?
Sir, it's the process of which uh, sir, it's making the fiber into yarn is called spinning, sir.
Making the fiber into yarn. Very good. So what is the spinning, everyone?
Sir, making the fiber into the yarn.
Fiber into yarn. That is the spinning. Okay. Next, what is the weaving?
Sir,
What is
the
the
process.
Drona?
Sir, the
Drona. Sudesha, do you know what is the weaving? Sudesha, do you know what is the weaving?
Sir, which means we are going to take the cotton threads and we are going to put them in the right angles and weave it, sir, with 2 needles.
Yeah, very good. Drona, what is the weaving? Exact definition? Drona. Ashwath. Unmute yourself, Ashwath.
Sir,
What is the weaving?
sir, spin, not, sir, 1 minute, sir.
Lohini,
Yes, sir.
what is the weaving?
The process of no, it's not.
Ashwath and Drona, turn on your videos. Jaydeep, what is the weaving?
Sir, the process of interlacing two set of yarns at right angles to each other to make the fabric is known as weaving.
Very good. Interlacing of two set of yarns at right angle to each other. Is called as an weaving. Next, Ashwath, what is the knitting? Or Drona? Rohini, who is this?
Sir, I'm Harsha.
Yeah, Harsha.
Sir, stitching a fiber in one order is called knitting.
Hitting?
Sir, stitching in one yarn in one order is called knitting, sir.
No. Aditya,
Sir, the process, it's the same thing as weaving, but in one yarn, sir.
will use only
One yarn.
one yarn to convert to. We'll use only one yarn in interlacing process.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Example where you use knitting process?
Sir, your grandmother
Socks
knitting
or the sweater.
socks.
Here we will use the knitting process. So these things we discussed in the cotton, right? Apart from this, we discussed anything in the cotton?
No, sir.
So this and all belongs to the cotton.
Yeah, sir.
Next, we'll come back to the another plant fiber. What we discussed in the class?
Sir, jute.
Jute.
Okay. Drona, are you there? Sudesha, where will you get the jute? Any doubt, Sudesha?
Sir, from jute plants.
Yeah, from the jute plant we'll get the jute. Which part of the jute plant will get the jute?
Sir, it's leaves.
Leaves? No? Sriharsha?
Sir,
Which part of the jute plant you'll get the jute?
sir, we will get from the stem, sir.
Stem, very good. So jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. So here we get jute obtained from the
Stem of the jute plant. Stem of the jute plant.
stem of jute plant. Next. So when we will do the cultivation of jute? Lohini?
So we do cultivation of jute in flowering stage.
In the flowering stage. And which season?
Before the and before the rainy season.
In the rainy season itself, not before the rainy season.
In the rain.
Because we require amount plenty amount of water in the reading process, right?
Yes, sir.
Retting process. And during the flowering stage. Next one. Sorry, we'll take this as at this point. When the jute plant is harvested, harvested
Sir, at the flowering stage.
harvested at the flowering stage, cultivated at the jute rainy season, harvested at the flowering stage. Then, what is the meaning of retting? Wait, Drona is there still on the outside. Sudisha, what is the retting?
Sir,
What is the meaning of retting?
sir, retting means to cut the
To cut the
jute.
To cut the jute. Next,
To cut the jute and
Sriharsha. Be ready with your answer, Sudisha. Will ask you after him. What is the retting? Sriharsha.
Sir, cleaning means taking out the sticky one from the jute.
Can you explain once again?
Sir, taking out the sticky process from the sticky one from the jute, sticky substance.
Okay, very good.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Drona.
Sir, I was actually having an internet issue. I wasn't able to unmute, sir. Now I could. Now I can.
Okay, okay. So, Sudisha, what is the retting?
sir, to cut it down and sir, to remove the 60 substances.
Retting means what? Stems are immersed in the water. Jaydeep,
Yes, sir.
what is the retting?
The process of immersing the stems of the harvested plants in water in order to remove the gummy nature from the jute fiber is known as retting.
It's known as retting. Very good. Lohini, what is the height of the jute plants? Generally, it will grow
2 to 3 feet.
2 to
3 feet.
3 feet. 2 to 3 feet or 2 to 3 meters?
2 to 3 meters, sir.
2 to 3 meters. Very good. So, Drona, what are the advantages of jute?
Sir, the advantages of jute are we can we can use them to store goods while traveling, store goods, and it makes and we don't use much plastic.
You don't use much plastic.
We use jute bags instead of plastic, sir.
Okay. Did they give any homework like find the top 10 Indian states, which will
Yes,
produce the jute?
yes,
Have you done the
Sir.
homework or not?
Yes,
sir,
sir. Top states for jute cultivation in India.
Yeah, but nobody is remembered me that one.
Sir, we
I did it,
finished.
sir.
Sir, it's the first rank, sir, in the
First
world. India.
Sriharsha, keep that on your side. Keep it
Sir,
down. Sriharsha. Yeah. Sriharsha, tell me the answer. What is the top 5 states, jute producing states in the India? Sriharsha,
Sir,
what are the top 5 jute producing states in India?
sir, sir, I can't hear you.
What are the top 5 jute producing states in India?
Sir, 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 West Bengal,
West Bengal,
Uttar Pradesh,
Uttar
Andhra
Pradesh,
Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Odisha,
Odisha,
Assam,
Assam.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh already came, right?
Yes, sir. So that's it, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
what are the top 5 jute producing states in India?
Sir, top 5 jute producing states in India are, sir, some I know. They are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
So that's some I wrote, sir.
Okay, Ashwath,
yes, sir.
what are the top 5 jute producing states in India?
Yes, yes, sir. Assam, West Bengal.
Assam is the
One
first one.
No, sir. Bihar, Assam, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, and Meghalaya.
First one.
Sir,
Sir,
can I
first
tell?
one is Bihar.
Yeah, who is this?
Sir, Jaideep, sir.
Yeah, Jay,
Sir, can
continue.
I tell?
First one is
Sir,
West
the
Bengal.
yeah,
Sir.
sir. And second one is Bihar, third Assam, fourth Andhra Pradesh, and fifth Odisha.
Ashwath, first one is the West Bengal, not the Bihar.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Second one is the Bihar. Third one is Assam. Note down everyone. Fourth
Sir,
one is
then
the,
it is Andhra Pradesh,
then it is Andhra Pradesh.
then Odisha.
Fifth one is the Orissa.
Odisha.
So these are the top 5 jute producing countries in, sorry, states in the India. What about the countries?
Sir, can I tell? Jaideep.
Yeah, Jaydeep, continue.
Sir, first one is India, second Bangladesh, third China, fourth Uzbekistan, and fifth one Nepal.
First one,
Sir, first one India.
we'll write it here.
Okay, sir.
So what is this first one? That is
Sir,
India. Second one,
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh. Third one, China.
and fourth one Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan. And the fifth one is Nepal.
Yeah, sir.
So these are the top 5 jute producing countries in the world. Everyone note down this one.
Okay, sir.
So this is all about the jute. Is there anything extra?
Sir, can you scroll down again? I want to check, sir. Yes, sir, it's done.
Sir, can you go some up?
So this is all about the jute and the cotton. Apart from that, what we discussed in the plant fiber?
Sir, about the hemp, flax, coir, sisal, and banana fiber.
Sir,
Yeah. Apart from this, we discussed about the camphor.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, will you post this at the Google Classroom?
Sorry.
Sir, will you post this at Google Classroom?
Yeah, I will post this one in the Google Classroom. So apart from this, what we discussed again? Camphor.
Sir, it is hemp, sir.
Sorry. Hemp. Hemp.
Flax.
Flax.
1 minute, please. Hemp, flask, coir,
And sisal and banana fiber.
sisal, and the banana fiber. So apart from this, we have discussed about this. Now coming to the animal fiber. What are the animal fibers we discussed in the class?
Sir, about the wool and silk.
Yes.
Yeah, Jaydeep, wait some time. Next, we'll come back to the animal fiber. Sudisha,
Yes, sir.
what are the different animal fibers?
Sir, wool and silk.
Wool and the silk. Generally, the plant fiber will contain mostly cellulose part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The plant fiber is mostly made up of
Cellulose.
Cellulose.
cellulose. What about the animal fiber?
Sir, keratin.
It's made up of proteins.
And protein.
Animal fiber is made up of protein.
Keratin and protein, sir.
Keratin is a one type of protein only.
Okay, sir. Proteins.
Okay. In this, we discussed about the wool.
Wool
Another about
and
the
silk.
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 Okay. Now first, Drona.
Yes, sir.
So wool contain, what is the protein present in the wool?
Sir,
What is the protein in the wool? What is the protein present in the wool?
Sir, can I?
Wait.
Okay, sir.
Is it correct or wrong?
sir, yes, sir. I think it's correct, sir.
You think it is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what are the 5 steps in the processing of wool?
Sir, 5 steps are, first step is shearing, sir. Shearing. Sir, the first step is shearing, sir.
First step is
Shearing.
shearing. What is the shearing, Drona?
Sir, shearing is a process of trimming off the wool, sir.
Shearing is the process of removal of the fleece of the sheep. Removal of the fleece of the sheep is called as shearing. What is the next step, Sudisha?
Sir, sorting.
What is the sorting?
Sir, to what do we say? Different to what do we say? Sir? Separation of good quality wool.
Yeah, someone is speaking, Ashwath. Yeah, sorting. What is the sorting, Sidhu?
Sir, to sir, the different what do we say? Separation of good quality wool. Sir.
Separation of the
Good quality wool.
separation of the good quality wool. Ashwath,
Sorry, sir. Can you scroll up, sir?
yeah. So we are discussing about this only, Ashwath. So what is the sorting means? Separation of the wool based upon the quality of the fiber and the length of the fiber, fineness of the fiber.
Sir, even thickness, right?
Thickness is normal thing. We'll check that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Aditya, what is the next step? Aditya.
Sir, then
Aditya, next step is the washing.
okay, sir.
What is the washing, Aditya?
Sir, washing the dirty particles
Washing
out
the
of
dirty particles.
the wool, sir.
Okay. Lohini, what is the next step?
Sir, it's coding.
Carding. Jay, what is the next step?
Sir, spinning.
Spinning. So in the spinning, what will do, Jay?
Sir, we will make the yarn, sir, from the fibers.
We'll make the yarn into the fibers. So apart from this, what we have discussed in the class about the wool?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, Sudisha.
Sir, we studied about the one.
We studied about the
Sir, we studied about the how we separate and where it is found, sir.
how we separate and where it is found.
Or, sir, about wool is that what are the 5 ways of making yarn? I mean, wool set.
Okay, okay. So Aditya, any other points we discussed in the wool?
Sir, can you scroll up a little bit, sir?
No, sir, I don't think so, sir.
We didn't discuss anything more. Drona, playing with the gun.
Yes, sir.
What we are discussing right now? Turn on your video, Drona, first.
Sir, we are discussing about what have we discussed in our more than the steps, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the protein present in the silk, Drona. Unmute yourself and can speak.
You're in mute, Drona.
Lohini, what are the proteins?
Sericin and fibrin.
Sericin and
Fibrin.
okay. Next one. So what is the life cycle of the female silk moth? Sriharsha,
Sir,
what is the life cycle? What is the first stage?
sir, a cocoon, sir.
Cocoon is the first stage.
Sir, can I?
Some
Okay.
moths,
Have you drawn the life cycle of the female silk moth in your book?
Sir,
Sriharsha?
egg, sir.
Wait, Aditya. Sriharsha, have you done the homework?
yes, sir.
Can you show me the image of the life cycle of the female silk moth? I asked you to draw, right? Last class. You didn't draw. Ashwath,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the fast? What is the life cycle?
Sir, first the female moth will
Tell me
will-
the four
the
stages.
female. Sir,
Tell me in the 4 stages. First is the eggs.
sir, eggs, larva, pupa, and then the moth, sir.
Adults.
The adult.
So where will you get the silk?
Sir, from the cocoon.
You will get the silk in the cocoon stage. Yeah, pupa stage.
Sir, in the pupa stage, sir.
Okay. So this is the life cycle of the female silk moth. No, Lohini.
Yes, sir.
What is a reeling?
Sir?
What is a reeling? Have we discussed the reeling process?
No, sir.
No. Okay, okay. Unwinding of the silk from the cocoon is called as reeling. Note down, unwinding of the silk or unwinding of the silk thread.
Sir, unveiling means?
Unwinding means removing of the silk thread
So removing of the silk
From the-
thread from the silk is called unveiling.
from the cocoon.
From
Cocoon
the
will form.
cocoon.
Cocoon will form the white color thread-like structure right around it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So removing of that white color thread is called as a reeling.
Okay.
Unwinding of silk,
Unveiling of
Sir,
silk
can I
thread
start?
from the cocoon.
silk filament from the cocoon is called as a reeling.
Sir, can you scroll up, sir?
Yeah. Unwinding of silk filament from the cocoon is called as a reeling. Note on that one. So what is the meaning of sericulture?
What's it?
Sericulture. Sericulture. Have we discussed this one or not?
I don't think yes, sir.
Sir, the silkworm lives on the sericulture plant, that one.
No, silkworm lives on the mulberry leaves, right?
Yes, sir.
The place where breeding of the silk is done. Breeding of silk is called as sericulture. The place where breeding of silkworm is called as sericulture. Note down everyone.
Place where breeding.
Breeding
of silkworm.
Silkworm is called as sericulture.
What do we mean by breeding? Which
Means growing. Suppose in particular place they will grow all the silkworms like farmers. That one is called as sericulture.
okay.
Pisciculture means what? Breeding of the fishes in particular area, right? That is a
Yes,
pisciculture. Aquaculture, like that. So it is also sericulture means the place where breeding of silkworm.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a complete mind map of this chapter. What we discussed in the last 2 or 3 weeks.
Sir, can you please once go down, sir? Sericulture and the
So which one is called the queen of fabrics?
Sir, the
Silk.
Silk, sir.
Silk, sir.
Queen of
Sir, golden fiber is wheat, sir.
golden fiber is not wheat. That is a jute. You will add here.
Okay, sir.
Jute is a golden.
Golden fiber.
then fabric, sir. Golden fiber.
Yeah, jute is a golden fiber.
Jute, sir.
And queen of fabrics is the silk.
Silk, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anything else we discussed in the silk?
Sir, now can you scroll up, sir? Sir,
Yeah.
a little bit down. Sir, and near that, more down, sir.
This one?
Sir, one more scroll, sir.
Still.
Sir, yes, sir. 14, sir.
Over, sir. I wrote.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One minute, sir. I'll go and get the battery of this laptop.